Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is vaccination, training the immune system to fight a pathogen before you've ever met it. By the end of this video, you'll know what's in a vaccine, how it produces immunity, and why some require boosters. Vaccination is the introduction of dead, weakened, or modified pathogens or their antigens into the body to stimulate an immune response without causing disease. The body produces antibodies and memory cells specific to that pathogen. On future exposure, memory cells respond quickly, destroying the pathogen before symptoms appear. 3 things. 1. Vaccines contain dead or weakened pathogens or just their antigens. 2. They trigger antibody production and memory cell formation. 3. Memory cells stay for years, sometimes life, giving long-lasting immunity. Some vaccines need boosters to top up memory cells over time. Common slip. Vaccines don't cure disease, they prevent it. Antibiotics treat existing bacterial infections. Vaccines train the body before infection. 2 different strategies, both vital. Quick example. The measles, mumps and rubella vaccine, MMR, introduces weakened forms of all 3 viruses. Your body produces antibodies and memory cells against each. Years later, if you encounter the real virus, memory cells respond quickly and you don't fall ill. You're immune for decades. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.